what's going on, internet? Today's Art Tip Tuesday. Just really all about figuring out when to say no. When to say no to a lot of those projects that come up that you're like, I don't know whether I want to spend time doing this project or not because I want to spend time doing my passion project. We get a lot of commercial projects from clients, from buyers, from companies, things like that, right? So when do you say no? I use a couple different areas to kind of figure out whether this is a project that I want to take on. And one of those areas is artistic growth. Am I growing from this project? Is it sort of opening me up to new challenges, new materials, new ways of thinking? Am I sort of like getting outside of my own comfort zone to kind of complete this project? Is it going to help me grow as an artist? If it is, it's something that I'm going to really look at taking on. Another area is, does it compensate you well? You know, if you're getting the same amount over and over and over for a project, it's like, I don't know if I want to do this. Is it even worth it? You know, when you see an actor, you know, starting a movie for the first time, and then you see them 20 years down the line, guess what? They're getting paid a lot more for acting. You know, same thing with any other profession. So as an artist, if you're doing the same thing over and over and over, you want to make sure you're getting compensated well. If you keep doing that same thing over and over and over, so does it compensate you well so that you can kind of fund those other projects, those passion projects that may not make any money, but you love doing those projects. So you know you can use one project to fund another. And then the third thing is it opening you up to new opportunity? So if it opens you up to new opportunities in terms of like travel, in terms of like network, or you know, different market, am I showing my work in a different part of the world? Am I being able to travel? Am I being able to kind of meet new artists in different areas, or meet new gallerists or museum owners, or things like that? So basically, it's sort of those three areas help you kind of determine whether you want to say no to a project. If the project doesn't really give you any artistic growth, doesn't really compensate you well, doesn't really open you up to new opportunities, basically you want to say no to that project because you're just wasting your time. You want to use or take on projects that help you as an artist grow. So look for those projects, and I guarantee your practice will start to flourish a little bit more because you're taking on projects that help you grow, they compensate you well so that you can fund other projects, and they open you up to new opportunities. So think about that when someone comes across and says, hey, are you available for this project, or to do this painting, or to do this sculpture, or do something. So use those different areas and keep at it. Peace.